After 2.5 months in Bequia and a bout with COVID, we were finally healthy and anxious to move on. We were about to undertake a 3-day voyage, 450 miles, to the U.S. Virgin Islands. Our son Thomas would be flying in to join us for a few days. So come with us and hang on. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. I am Chantal and this is my husband Gary. Together we live and sail the Caribbean aboard our Beneteau Maracudja. Join us as we discover and explore the amazing sights of the Caribbean and learn about its history and many cultures.
Leaving Bequia. Bye, Maracudja! Safe sailing! Safe travels!
Bye, Bequia.
2 months.
We are going to St. Croix.
After 2 months.
After 2 months in Bequia.
Didn't think we'd be here that long, but the COVID struck and that took a month out of us.
Yep.
To get sick, to get over it, to get the testing. Oh my gosh. It wasn't good. It wasn't good. Get the vaccine if you can. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, it was not fun. So, but we're all better now, and we decided that we're moving on and we're going to St. Croix. We've never been there, so it'll be great to explore a new island. So we have about 3-day sail to get there. We'll shoot. Today's Sunday afternoon. We should be there Wednesday in the morning, hopefully. And let's hope that we see something interesting. Whales or dolphins or anything. That'll be fun. Beautiful Bequia. We had some good times here. And we had some bad times. But still. The ocean is calling us. It feels so good to be out sailing again. Right now it's really calm, so that's why I'm coming out here. That island over there is St. Vincent, but we're not stopping there. And our friend Jono is up ahead. Looking good, Jono. Sailing away. Jono is on its way. It's a beautiful day. Let's hope we're gonna have a beautiful trip. Big swells in between the islands. Big swells.
Got birds, we weed.
Yeah, Gary's trying to fish. Let's see if we catch something. And we are just in the lee side of St. Vincent. That's a pretty tall island. It's big mountains, lots of peaks. The wind is dead. We're not going anywhere right now. Like standing still. We were going 8 knots before, almost 9, and now we're going less than 2.
3.8.
Yeah. 3.8. Oh, we went a little faster.
Yeah, but we're going west.
Yeah.
That's toward Belize.
Oh, that's not good. Oh, you changed direction. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll just wait for the wind to pick up again when we're past the island. Hopefully it'll start very soon. We were sailing from Bequia to St. Croix, U.S. Virgin Islands. As we always do, we checked and rechecked our weather apps to ensure we had a good weather window. The winds were predicted to not go over 25 knots and the seas were around 4 to 6 feet. Boy, were they wrong. Monday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. So day 2 almost. 2 days, 2 nights, 2 days. 2 days, 2 nights. 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 We are passing Martinique. It was kind of a rough night. We had storm after storm after storm. No lightning, but lots of wind. Lots of wind. 32 knots, I think you recorded. The seas were pretty big too. But we survived. It's uncomfortable down below, which is where we sleep. And it's okay up here. I just got up. Gary finished his shift and he's downstairs sleeping, taking a rest. It's daylight finally. As you can see, it's still really cloudy. And this is our friend Jono, Karen and Patrick, who are coming with us to St. Croix. Our friends Karen and Patrick on Jono are going with us. I give them lots of credits, never having done a long passage like this before. They know what they're doing, but still, they are a real trooper. We should be getting some blue sky very soon, so that will be good. I'd much prefer daylight than nighttime. At least I can see the waves, I can see the wind. Wind's about 22. Oh, I recorded 25 right now. But it's not slamming into us. We're going up and down the waves, but we're not slamming. The waves are not slamming into the boat, so it's not that hard, not difficult. I'll keep you posted. Got some big seas going. It never looks that bad. No. These are big. Because of the handrail, it's pretty big.
Calm down a little bit. Jono, they had some problems with their mainsail. Got caught on the lazy jacks, and I think the third or whoa, we took a big one there. And I think the third reefing line got jammed. So right now they're trying to go upwind and clear the sail and put it back in the bag. Hello, love.
As we sailed northwest of Guadeloupe, there is a tiny island called Isla Aves, which is a dependency of Venezuela. As we tried to avoid it, somehow we passed by at just 35 miles off. Too close for comfort. Good morning! We are Tuesday morning. We've been aboard for about almost 2 days now. How many miles have we done so far?
200 miles.
About 200 miles we've done so far. Seas are agitated. It was never calm this whole trip. This is actually one of the calmest we've had.
Yeah, last night it hit 33 knots.
33 knots last time. Of course, every time the wind just blows up, I'm the one on shift.
And Karen.
And Karen.
It's always the ladies. They love it. They love that drama.
Gary just took a shower.
Not really.
A wave he was hanging outside putting the solar panels up, and a wave just came on the side and slapped us. And he was out there and he just got drenched. It's a beautiful day though. It's a beautiful day though. Jono is out there. They're running only on their jib. We have our jib and a little bit of the main just for stabilization. You can see the swell. I know with the sun it's hard. We got some pretty big ones. It's not the 4 feet they said it was going to be. Wow! But it's not too bad, only unless we go downstairs. So we spend most of our time in the cockpit. Tomorrow, sometime in the morning, maybe around noon. I'm not sure yet where we're going, if we're going to Christiansted or Fredericksburg. We'll find out later. But pretty big sea, as you can tell behind me. I don't know where the 4-foot waves are that they talked about. It ain't happening. We've had no major issues. Right there. Whoop. There you go. Was able to raise his main finally. Motor for like, oh gosh, almost 24 hours because it was jammed yesterday, so he had to bring it down. And he motored all night and pretty much most of the day today. And it's only the last hour that he's been able to raise the main back up again. So he was able to shut off the motor. So not bad. Get a little calm and then the waves come back again. The swell. We're doing good at 7 knots. Lots of seaweeds. Lots of sargasso. Gary's trying to fish, but so far no luck. Only some fish, we call it seaweed fish. Tuesday night on Maracudja, we're crossing to St. Croix. It is a birdies. I don't know what he's trying to do. There's no place to land up there. You gotta land on the boat. Land there, buddy. He's trying to land, I think. Just reduced our sails so that for the night, you don't like to sail with too much windage because it's not good. What you doing? I don't have any food for you. No, go away. The bird's on top of me. Guess he thinks I'm gonna feed him or something. I don't know. Go away. Land if you want. You can rest and then take off later. It's pretty though. There's a tail. No, not a good spot. Anyway, we should be arriving tomorrow morning. Hopefully the night will be quiet. Much better than last night, which was rough as can be. Oh, beautiful night. We have an almost full moon tonight. It's gonna be gorgeous. Jono is still there following us. And the moon is beautiful. Beautiful day. Better evening. At least I hope so. It's too dark. Can't see. A little stowaway. There's a brown booby on the boom that's resting. He's tucked his head in his foliage in the back of his head to rest. And then once in a while the boom starts shaking because of waves. Shakes it up and the booby wakes up. Poor guy.
Well, it is Wednesday the 24th and we are closing in on St. Croix, about another 20 miles, and sea state is not too bad. Got some big swells, but they're not coming in. Whoop. Yeah, we're just gonna make out the land. It's between the rain cloud. Last night there's Jono out there. Last night a couple of brown boobies decided to befriend us, and I think they're good luck, but look at this good luck they put all over our windshield here. It's dripping down the roof, it's on everywhere, so I wonder if he's still there. Oh, he's still there. Hey, you are a poopy bird. I thought you were just a lucky bird, but you're a poopy bird. Where's the other one? I didn't see the other one. Where's your buddy? You don't know? Oh well, okay. Well, I think it's good luck. There is some St. Croix after 350 miles. It's gonna be good to get over here. Wind is 20 knots behind us. Oh, there's another big swell coming.
Woo! Day 3. 30 knots of wind. Yeah, the wind picked up last night, And the swells, of course. It is about, it's 9 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday morning. And we are at the island of St. Croix. We made it. We just gotta get to the anchorage. We are happy to finally be a destination. It was a long journey.
After 3 long days at sea, we were happy to see land again. We sailed around the southwestern end to the town of Frederiksted and dropped anchor. If you enjoyed this video, click the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends. Next episode, we explore the island of St. Croix. See you next time!